Alright, first coat of mud is done. It's a mess in here. This wall is going to be rough cut 1x6 pine, shiplap style. So it's gonna match this back wall over here for the TV accent wall in the living room. Counter space is gonna be here all the way over, and we're gonna have a oven, and my wife wants a small counter here and then the fridge. The counters are going to be rough cut pecan, 2 inches thick, and I'm going to finish it myself and treat it. So I got a good deal on those. I'm just waiting for them to finish kiln drying. This is the pantry. It's really big. Got my water shut off in here. I've got these little frames here. I'm going to build a little box here that goes over top, kind of like a shelf, and it'll hide the shut off for the water. Got just a simple light in here. Not really too concerned about what this is going to look like, because it'll be hidden. I do need to finish my corners. As you can see, I ran out of my corner pieces, so I gotta get some more of that. Got the drywall on the cover for the pipes. This whole ceiling from here over is going to be the same 1x6 pine. That's gonna match that wall. Got the stairwell mudded. Don't have a light in the bathroom, but everything's hooked up right now. I have a air return fan over there. My light switch controls this light and those 2 lights and the exhaust fan. I'm gonna have a countertop here, light up there, actually counter here, GFCI outlet and switch, and then right here it's going to be a clawfoot tub. Still got to figure out what I'm going to do with the bath, with the closet, as far as the type of tile that I'm going to use. This is another bedroom we're using as a schoolroom. A couple more corners in here I gotta finish, and this is pretty much gonna stay like this. Eventually I'm gonna build a little wall in front of this. Laundry room, same thing, gotta do some more corners. Washer dryer is gonna go here, have a little sink there. Water heater, and have that transfer fan up here. Have a mini split going right here. This is one of my favorite things about this room is this window. I really like this window. It's a mess out here. Go upstairs. Pretty much done with the first coat of mud, so I need to start sanding. Girls' room. This is their little closet. Worked on this last night. The kitchen, dining room's down there. Gonna have all of smoke detector up top. The girls' mini split is gonna go up there. Chandelier is gonna hang out about right here. Master bathroom, countertop right here, sink, mirror, light. GFCI toilet and full-size shower. This little cubby for like towel rack or whatever. I have another transfer fan up there. Closet. Master bedroom. Have 2 lights up here that I still have to cut the holes for. They're the same ones that are going in there. Harmony splits going up top. Have a separate reading lights, hotel style, where the bed's gonna sit in front of the window. Dresser's gonna go over here. Those are dimmer, all dimmer LED lights. And girls' lights are here, so it'll be 1, 2, 3 on each side. 1, 2, 3. And that's it. Gotta finish. A little bit of mud, sand a whole lot, do more mud, sand a lot, and then paint. This is the living area. It's really big. Well, it's really long. Have the TV, fireplace over there. That one switch controls all the lights on the side. And then we'll have probably 2 couches and a couple coffee tables. And then dining area will be right over there.